The abject failure of your government's policy in migration is causing division, and it's causing huge division. And what happened in Newtownmountkennedy last week is causing huge questioning about the Garda Síochána, who I support all my life, and we need to support them. They can't police without the support of the public. But the heavy actions up there that would reminiscent of Northern Ireland, which RIC and B specialists, was shocking. And I've been contacted by a number of people up there. I've been contacted by.
Please,
can I speak,
order.
Councillor? Can I speak without the commoners left interrupt me? Can I speak, please? Thank you. And I've been contacted by independent candidate John Larkin and indeed business people out there. We need to have a serious evaluation of how we're dealing with this. Putting out that number of migrants out there into tents in a wet, soggy field with no environmental evaluation or any evaluation in the community. 5 miles up the road from your Taoiseach, less. Please, I beg you in the name of the Lord to just imagine, evaluate what you're doing and the division you're causing between the Irish people and our Garda Síochána, who have protected us for decades and want to keep protecting us. But this is heavy-handed tactics from Drew Harris and his gang. It's just a shocking situation.
Deputy Mattie McGrath, and I say this respectfully, An Garda, I don't think in this House we should refer to members of An Garda Síochána as a gang. These are sworn members of An Garda Síochána. Shame on you, and condemn the attacks on the Gardaí that happened in my constituency, in my communities this week. Nobody in this country has a right to attack a man or woman of An Garda Síochána, and you should condemn it outright, but of course you won't.